Hey guys, this is your host Kaushik and you're watching Crypto Market Today. For all the people who have subscribed to my channel, thank you once again. And if you have subscribed and waiting for any predictions or any kind of signals on any typical altcoins, I suggest you to unsubscribe because this is a knowledge-based crypto YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all the people who are still watching this video. So today the market cap is at $213 billion. The Bitcoin dominance is at 53.7% and the more the Bitcoin dominance increase, more the typical altcoins will get vanished from the crypto market. So my expectation is for the next 1 or 2 months, I don't see any big bull runs coming into this crypto space, and I don't see any new things happening in the cryptocurrency market in the next 1 or 2 months because all the ETFs are got rejected. Only we have this CBOE's ETF and SEC have a chance that to extend rather taking any decision on that. So there is no 100% sure that they're going to take any decision on the CBOE's thing. And the other thing is we are waiting for the New York Stock Exchange BUCT platform. So these two are the significant things that can happen in the next 1 or 2 months. Other than that, we don't have any big platforms or kind of any big thing that is going to happen in the next 1 or 2 months. So I don't expect any new money coming into the market for the next 2 months because most of the common people who have invested into the cryptos have invested in late 2017 or early 2018. All these people are in losses, and whenever they see a kind of pump in the market, they try to take the profits from that. So we can't expect that a normal investor will invest into this cryptocurrency market right now, and the only hope that we have is from the institutional investors, and the institutional investors will invest only if they have a kind of trustful or a secured platform where they can invest. So a kind of ETF or kind of BUCT platform is always appreciated right now. And for the next 1 or 2 months, I don't expect any big bull runs gonna happen in the Bitcoin space. And the other thing is the Bitcoin dominance is increasing every day. Today it is at 53.7%, and I expect this can move up to 60% in a coming months. The reason is the most the Bitcoin dominance increases, all these shit coins which are in the cryptocurrency space will get vanished out. The only reason is I expect that most of the coins, almost 95% of the coins listed in different exchanges or shit coins. They don't have any kind of good projects or anything. They just have some money, and so they have got listed in a company in exchanges. So all these things will get vanished because altcoins to stay in this market, they need about $1 to $2 billion per month. So all these altcoins in total, they need $1 to $2 billion per month to continue what they are doing right now. They need to pay their staff, they need to continue their infrastructure, they need to pay their buildings and all, offices and all, they need to pay the taxes and all these things. They have to maintain their support staff, they have to maintain their marketing teams and all. This is not possible because now if the Bitcoin dominance is at 50+%, the market cap is at $213 billion. So take 50% of that, it is about $100 billion, and this $100 billion, 80% of this $100 billion is coming from the good altcoins. I mean to say the coins like Ethereum or coins top 30 or top 40 coins in the market cap. So Bitcoin dominance, my expectations, it will hit about 60% by the end of this 2018, by which all other altcoins or the all shit coins which don't have any kind of good stability will vanish. So that is the first thing. And the second doubt that you might have is this a good time to invest into the cryptocurrency space? If you ask me, do I invest into the cryptocurrency space? Yes, I invest, but I don't invest everything that I have in a one single throw. What I'll do is the thing that I follow, the best strategy that I follow right now is now the Bitcoin price is at about $6654, and I expect, and from the last 2 or 3 months, what we are seeing is for every 1 week or 10 days there is a dump, and then a pump is followed by that dump, and a pump follows, and the dump follows, pump follows, dump follows. This particular process is going on in the market. So what I do is, if the particular BTC price is below $6,200, then I'll invest about 10%. If I give a correct numbers, if I can say that I'll invest about $10,000 in a Bitcoin if it goes below 6,200, and if the Bitcoin price goes below 5,800 or 5,700, then I'll invest double. I mean, first I invested $10,000, now I'll invest $20,000. Next time when the Bitcoin even goes down to $5,000, then I'll invest double of that. I mean $40,000. First I invested 10,000 when the Bitcoin is at 6,200, and next I'll invest about $20,000 when it is at 5,800, and next about 5,200 or less than 5,000 I invest about $40,000. And I continue this process. Whenever I see a dump in a Bitcoin price, I invest that. So every time I'm investing double the money that I've invested before. So this is a strategy that you need to follow. I follow from about 2 years, and I have earned a good amount from this cryptocurrency space, and so I follow this strategy, and I request you to follow the same strategy. Don't invest everything that you have in a single go. Just invest and keep increasing your investments slowly, so that if there is a kind of pump from about $5,000 or $5,500, if there is a kind of pump, obviously you have invested a lot at 5,000 or 5,500 rather at 6,200. So this is a great strategy that normally in any market, not only in the cryptocurrency market, maybe in a stock market and any other gold markets, people used to, major investors used to follow this strategy. So I hope that you understand this strategy. Every time double your investments, start with some amount and then keep increasing or keep doubling the investments at every dump. So I hope you understand this video, and I would request you to go to the Bitcoin rather than going for any other typical altcoins. What I mean by any other typical altcoins, or the altcoins which are product based, not a platform based. For a platform based like Ethereum or a Nano or Ethos or kind of Tron or kind of Cardano or Dash, all these kind of basic Bitcoin Cash or Ethos, Stellar, all these kind of Monero, these kind of coins I invest now rather going for a product based altcoins. So there is no guarantee for that particular altcoins to stay in this bear market if this bear market continues for the next 6 months to 1 year. So I would request you to follow the same strategy, and thank you so much for watching this video, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.